Today, I'm going to show you how to place an image between sections in Squarespace. This is a great way to add visual interest to your site and break up content in a more creative way than standard section dividers allow. First, you'll need to navigate to squarespace.com and log into your account. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll be taken to your dashboard where you can see all your websites. From here, simply click on the website where you want to place the image between sections. This will open up the editing interface for that specific site. On the left side menu, you'll see several options. Click on Website, and directly under it, you'll find Pages. Go ahead and click on Pages. This is where you'll manage all the different sections and content blocks on your site. Now, here's a key step that's crucial for this method to work properly. The image needs to be positioned on the second section. Keep this in mind as we move forward. With that noted, head back to the left side menu and click on Custom Code. Under Custom Code, you'll see an option for Custom CSS. Click on it to open the CSS editor. This is where we'll add the code that makes the magic happen. I'm going to paste the code here, and feel free to pause the video so you have time to copy it down. The code includes a margin top property that you can adjust depending on what looks best for your specific website layout. Once you've pasted the code and made any necessary adjustments, click Save to apply the changes. After saving, click Edit to return to your page editor. Now comes the fun part. You can finally place your image between sections. Simply drag the image block to the position where you want it to appear between your sections. The custom CSS you added will allow the image to sit perfectly in that in-between space, creating a seamless visual flow. Once you've positioned the image exactly where you want it, click Save to lock in your changes. And there you have it. Your image is now beautifully positioned between sections, adding a professional touch to your Squarespace site. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.